Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Mini Cooper seat recline issues. First, let's diagnose the problem. Carefully inspect the seat for any obvious signs of damage or loose parts. Listen for unusual noises when attempting to recline. This initial check helps determine if the issue is a simple mechanical jam or something more complex, like an electrical fault with the motor. Understanding the cause is the first step to a successful repair. Now, let's access the internal components. Begin by gently prying off the plastic trim panels around the base and sides of the seat. You might need a trim removal tool to avoid scratching. Once the panels are off, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors leading to the recline motor or sensors. This will give you clear access to the recline mechanism, whether it's a cable system or an electric motor. With the mechanism exposed, you can now perform the repair. If a cable is broken, replace it with a new one, ensuring proper routing. For motor issues, check the wiring and motor function. Sometimes, simply lubricating stiff gears or pivot points with a suitable grease can resolve the problem. Before putting everything back, test the recline function to confirm the repair is successful and the seat moves smoothly. Finally, it's time for reassembly and a thorough test. Carefully reconnect all electrical connectors, ensuring they are snug and secure. Then, snap the trim panels back into place, making sure all clips align correctly. Once everything is reassembled, perform a full range of motion test for the seat recline. Confirm that it moves smoothly and locks securely in all desired positions, ensuring safety and comfort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.